we both are gonna do pick a slime ingredient challenge. And also we are using contact lens solution and baking soda as our activator, and we are using clear glue. So let's begin the challenge by rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I win, so I'm gonna go first. So guys, we're having foam balls and glitter. So the first round is gonna be foam balls and the second round is gonna be glitter. So let's begin. So I'm gonna go blindfolded and she's gonna mix this all. Okay, I'm closing my eyes.
Let's mix nicely, guys. Okay, I will put this over here. Okay, now you can pick.
Okay, 4 are here. Nah. Okay, I'm gonna pick this one. I got blue.
Okay, now
This
we
is
have
one
to
of
get
my
purple.
favorite color. Okay, you close your eyes properly. Okay, I'm gonna mix these all. Okay, you could pick now.
I will pick this. Yes. Oh yes.
I thought you'd pick the orange. Okay, now it's glitter time. Okay, I'm closing my eyes. Mix them all.
Okay, I will mix it nicely.
Are you done?
Now, I'm done now.
Okay, I'm gonna go with this one. I got silver! So guys, it's her turn to pick. So I'm mixing these. Ready? Okay, I'm ready.
No. I will pick this.
I got same color. But those two look very good. Okay, it's time for making our slime. So guys, let's begin mixing our slime. So we're gonna add a clear glue. Okay, shall I add it for you?
No, I will add it.
Okay, your wish. Okay. Next is our foam balls. I guess it's enough. It's enough.
Okay, enough.
Let's add our glitter.
Let's take.
Okay, you could have it now.
Okay.
Okay, now let's add our glitter into it.
I have to put like this.
It's enough, I guess.
Okay, I will put it now. It's enough, I guess. No.
So now let's add our foam balls.
I will cut it. That will be easy.
Okay. Let's add our foam balls in.
Will I full?
So let's mix it.
Okay. It is so much nice.
I love the silver glitter mixing with the blue foam balls because it's a very nice combination.
Yes. Oh,
Okay, I'm gonna add my baking soda. We're gonna add 1 spoon of baking soda.
Oh, that's nice.
Okay.
Okay. Just put it.
Okay.
I will put it.
Now let's mix it. Okay, what's this?
There is like a mountain.
I'll help you.
Okay. Thank you for helping.
No problem.
This is a nice combination.
Like, no, Mama.
Purple berry.
Okay, it's time for adding our contact lens solution.
First, I will add.
Okay.
My spoon is going inside the slime.
Okay, I'll just till that time I'm gonna mix it properly. Okay.
This much is okay. It will be more.
Whoa.
Let's
Okay, I'm gonna add.
Oh, it is mixing it! See, it is turning to slime.
Okay, I'm gonna add some 3-4 drops into it. That's okay. Okay, it's enough. It's enough. Oh, you started forming?
Yes, because I think
It's forming for me too. So guys, look, it's forming.
after this falling some, after this I will mix with my hand.
So guys, our slimes are gonna be
Like
ready.
guys.
Okay.
Oh,
Ooh, it looks kind of.
slime.
What?
You put all it in your hand. Let's do it.
Ooh, look guys, it looks so good. And it's becoming non-sticky.
Let's mix it.
So guys, my slime is ready. Look, it's so stretchy. And we could look at the foam balls and the glitter. It's shining. Okay, let's poke it. It's sticky.
Yes, my fault.
Sticky. Okay guys, whose slime is better? If you think my slime is better, comment down below. Hashtag Divya.
You like my slime? Hashtag Akshara.
Okay guys, look at stretchiness. So hope you all enjoyed this challenge. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Bye.
Bye.